The 5 mistakes you can't make before you take the PMP exam. The first one is relying solely on the free questions to study. Free questions can be great, but sometimes free questions may not do more than tell you that answer was wrong. Many paid for questions and exams will provide you with an explanation for the correct answer. This allows you to learn from your mistakes and to understand the rationale behind the correct answer. In Anexas, we provide you lots of mock exams which are almost cloning the real PMP exam. Mistake number 2, not taking full-length exams. Practice, practice, practice. Take the complete mock tests in a targeted time. Give the mock exams as if they were real. Mistake number 3, not understanding the formulae. Formulae are a part of project management as well as PMP exam. For the PMP exam, you will need to know and understand the formulae and the concepts behind it. Just don't memorize it. In Anexas training programs, we explain the real concepts. Sometimes we even derive the formulae. So please remember the cost variance or the schedule performance index. Just don't remember the formulae, but also understand what it actually means. Mistake number 4, not setting the right time to take your exam. Ideally, it is good to write the exam within 3 months of attending a formal 35 hours of training. Mistake number 5, not attending a formal 35 hours training program because it's expensive. Taking the PMP exam demands that a person should attend a formal 35 hours of training program. Many people skip this training because it's a bit expensive, but we really urge all the people to attend the training even though it is expensive, because it will pay off in the end. By the way, Anexas training programs are not expensive at all, and you can contact us to know more about it, and wishing you the very best in your PMP exams.